Come on, before we get shot, nigga. Where you blown out? Where you blown out? Where you blown out? Where you blown out?
Why? Mace him! Mace him! Mace him! No, I can be here. Be right here.
Same guy.
Okay, come on, down this way. Down this way. Down this way. Down this way.
All right. So we were down on 38 Chicago. We were literally playing red light, green light after we got done playing a volleyball game. And someone came to 100 miles an hour and they hit the car in front of the blockade. And the car flew out and it hit a woman. And so we have a woman that potentially might be dead and is bleeding out here on the street. Here's the first car and the incident. And there's the second car right there. He came through 100 miles an hour and he sped up on his way down.
Piece of shit. Piece of shit.
Yeah, he sped up as he got closer.
Hey, which way he come from?
He came from this way. He was going like 80, and then he sped up into 100.
He just fucking killed her! He just fucking killed her! He just killed her! He just killed her! He just killed her! Matthew! He killed her! He killed her! We are! He fucking killed her! I watched her body get hit and her slide! I watched her get hit and slide! I watched him drive in, I saw 100% of it! She's fucking dead! She got hit right there! And she ended up smashed against that pole! Bro! Get an ambulance! Where's the ambulance? Get a